shopping in Disney Springs and taking a boat ride over to Port Orleans French Quarter for some Halloween beignets sounds like a great day to me. Oh yeah, and a VIP party event at Epcot fireworks. Let's go. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another daily vlog here in Walt Disney World. Today we are going to be going to Disney Springs and doing some shopping, and then I also plan to take a boat ride over to Port Orleans French Quarter, like I said, to try the seasonal Haunted Mansion beignets from Scat Cats Cafe. I have yet to try these specific Mickey beignets and I'm really excited. So that's pretty much what's on the docket today, just having like a full-on Disney Springs day. And then we're going to come back, freshen up, and we have our travel agency VIP event at Epcot. We're doing a dessert party and fireworks. I'm really excited. Super nervous to kind of meet everybody. I get really overwhelmed. You guys all know I struggle with social anxiety, but I'm really excited to just be like in the parks and doing something park related and having solid plans. Right now, fingers crossed that the weather stays what it says it's going to do today. Looks like there's only a little bit about a rain coming to us somewhere around 6 o'clock, and it's only going to last about an hour. So hopefully it sticks to that routine. If you guys aren't aware, Florida weather changes within like the half hour. So I'm really hoping that it stays at bay today because we really need a nice day without any rain. I have no idea what tomorrow's going to look like yet, but that's for tomorrow. Let's head out. I'm going to go get some breakfast, probably just grab something from downstairs at the marketplace. I was originally going to go to Topolino's, but I ended up canceling that reservation just because of money reasons. I just wanted to save a little bit of extra cash. So that's what I did there. And then I was like, oh, maybe I'll go to Pop Century and get some tater tots for breakfast. But Pop Century is actually under refurbishment right now, their whole cafeteria. And I really don't feel like traveling a whole extra thing just to mobile order pickup at Pop Century. So we're going to head downstairs, get some food down there, and then we'll get ready to go to Disney Springs. Oh yeah, and I wanted to show you guys my very first travel agency VIP lanyard. My new friend Megan and fellow agent, she picked this up for me at the party that she went to last night. I unfortunately did not go. I just didn't have the money to pay for the ticket. But it was very sweet of her to bring this back for me. So thanks, Megan. Another humid, sticky morning here at CBR. But the sun is shining and she's beautiful. Haven't had a chance to show you guys the main pool yet, so I figured I'd show you really quick before we grabbed food. It's really sunny out right now. Oh, they're having a lifeguard practice. This is the main pool. It's really, really cool. Over here's the slide. I'll show you guys through the umbrellas. There it is right over there. And then there's a really, really fun kids splash pad too. It's like way on the other side. Really, really fun. And there's like a big bucket that falls. Here's the kids splash pad up close. See if we can catch the bucket. But it's so cute, you guys. Honestly, I would have fun in this thing. I think the twins would love this. It's so cute. So if you have little kids, this is definitely a plus. Not many hotels have these, and the fact that this is a moderate and not a deluxe, this looks such a good bang for your buck. There it goes. So cool. Okay, so I got a bacon, egg, and cheese, and it came with potatoes. These look so sad. And then I just got myself a decaf coffee. I want my tater tots. These are probably gonna taste awful. Old. Mediocre at best, honestly. Bring back the tots. Luckily, this was just a filler meal. It's not meant to please me. The sandwich, which also is cold. It's a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. The bagel is toasted, and the egg is nice. But again, cold. Coffee? Cheers. That's good. Guys, we made it to Disney Springs. We're just gonna relax, walk around. We still have about half an hour before everything opens, including the buses. So I'm just gonna browse, walk, relax, take in some content. Maybe we'll run into Nate. Let's head over to Gideon's. Maybe he's waiting in line. I don't know. Girl can dream. Let's go. Why do I not remember Sprinkles being over here? Old location, new location? I'm confused. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let's check out the water today. Oh, I just want to jump in. Don't do that. I do not advise that. It looks like there's someone in there working, cleaning. Gideon's line is super small. No Nate right now. It's all good. One of the best restaurants in Springs. Okay, right now we're walking into one of the best views in the Springs, in my opinion. This is one of the little stage areas. We've got the Boathouse restaurant right here. This is where the amphi cars take off. Right here. That's interesting. This is the view. Saratoga Springs is to your right. And that is the other side of Disney Springs over there with Cirque du Soleil. So pretty. I wonder if Joffrey's is open yet. It's gonna get Dan some coffee. I would have thought that Joffrey's would have at least been open, but guess not. We're gonna head back this way, check out the fountain, and then make our way over to the Happily Ever After store. So the one thing I wanted to buy this trip, like more than anything else, was the build your own Mickey ears with the characters. So I'm gonna try and stick to just 2 characters. I might go super basic and just do 2 Mickeys or a Mickey and Minnie. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Kind of wanted to go into Uniqlo because there was like a really cute crop top t-shirt that I wanted to possibly get, but I gotta be really careful with money, so I don't know, maybe we'll go in and look at it anyway when they open. We'll see. Ever After Co is right over here. I thought there would be people, but guess not. We still have a few more minutes, but I think we're just gonna relax here and wait for them to open at this point. Take the vibes over there on the chairs. Can't wait. So right now we're featuring Halloween. How adorable. So super cute. Okay, and this is the section. These are all the little character heads. And then you're limited. You can pick up the 3. And they even have a little mirror. Okay, so my original plan was to do Mickey and Minnie and then get Donald as a possible 3rd. But Minnie is huge. Like, she's really big. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go with these 3. I just love them. They're my favorite. How could I not? So cute. Hi guys. They have Colin's sleepy stuffies in here. I want this one next. Guys, look at all the Figments. I love this Figment lug bag. Just wish it wasn't 60 bucks. So cute. And look, they have the Pooh ears in here now. Colin wanted this last time. Maybe I'll get him this. This is so cute. Look at the little stitching earrings. Okay, those ears aren't as ugly in person. They're a little bit better in person, but still. I did it! They're so cute! I love it. And then tonight I'm gonna wear the Donald and Daisy ones to go with my outfit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And I got Colin some goodies. He's gonna be so excited. Love it. Oh, and there was a really, really sweet woman in there that was telling me that you can use these on anything. You can put them on your Loungefly bags. She said your shoelaces. Like, what a cute idea. Never would have thought of that. So, multi-purpose full. It's the way to go. Okay, heading to the boat to go get some beignets. So excited. Go pretty. I love being at the Springs. It's just so relaxing, y'all. It's the best. And like, look at the views. Can't beat those views.
Morning.
Morning. Wish I was staying here. Should have recommended this place to Megan. It's such an underrated resort. Pool looks so good. Looks like we got some construction going on. This one has a splash pad too. I love the trees here. Okay, here we are. Let's go get us some beignets. Probably come out here and get them. Well, maybe we'll stay in the AC. Okay, there they are, and they look delicious. And a little hack. Get the strawberry sauce because it's the best. Just need to go grab a fork and a knife. Sorry if you guys are crooked. I'm gonna try it without the dip first. These are so good. You can taste that marshmallow sauce. Oh. And like the consistency is still the same. Alright, we're gonna try it with the strawberry. So good. 10 out of 10. Okay, those beignets were amazing. So I just want to take a minute and catch you guys up. So we are now going to take the boat back to Springs and I'm going to do some shopping. I don't know how much of it I'm going to show you guys because most of it is just going to be window shopping anyway. I'm not really buying much else today. So I'm not sure when the next you'll see me is before the event tonight. But that's my plan at this point. So. Oh, that is adorable. Stop. These are so cute, you guys. I have to resist. Oh, cute though. Aiden graduates this year. Should give him that for Christmas. Aw, Genie. Stitch. Goofy. Mindy. I love the Pluto. That's cute. Look at this. Stop it. I can't. It's been just like the clock. Oh, she's adorable. My aunt would love this. You guys, is this new? I don't think I've ever seen this. So cute. Oh, look guys, elemental. Look, they have look at you. Aw, this is cute too. Oh, look at Goofy. My husband will love that one. How much are these Play in the Park series? $25. I thought they would have been a little bit cheaper, but nope. That's good. Oh, look at this one. Anything It's a Small World has me. I love this too. That's cute. $26.99. Not bad for that. Oh, they're the Toy Story characters in their like boxes. We got Jessie. I love the Bullseye one. Do we have Woody anywhere? Looks like Woody is sold out. Okay, I'm gonna buy the whole store, so I need to leave. I want this one, and I want this one. There's the Sally sweater, so cute. When did this come out? What? What is this, and when did that happen? You guys seen this yet? Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It's a whole new flipping collection, y'all. Do you guys have any idea how much it's taking me not to buy this whole thing? Oh my Lanta. And this fanny. And there's the Mickey sweater. I love this. It's so cute. The new bags. Adorable. So cute. This apron's really cute. Haunted Mansion. That's cool. $40. It's not bad. There it is. Insane. This whole line. Look at that tray. And the towels. I can't. The Winnie the Pooh apron. Adorable. These aprons are not bad. Only $40. Look at the Fantasia cup. Oh, she heavy. $24.99. Yo, that's cool. Whoa. That's cool. He is $30. That's pretty sweet. It's that time again. Okay, got the goods. I had a hard time in there today, you guys, but I finally picked a few things. And I got Skylar more of her chopstick. Time to go in the big kahuna. That is so cute. Where's that shirt? Stop. You guys, they had the Muppet shirt. I think I might be buying this, and I'm not supposed to be. Wait, what is this? You guys, it's a Sally Spirit jersey. Look at the back. So cute. Here's all the Pirates merch. This t-shirt's really cute. Who's sick of Stitch merch? Stitch, Stitch, Stitch. I'm over Stitch. Wait. What? What? Oh my god. You guys. It's a Steamboat Willie weighted. Shut the front door. And it's only $45. If I could fit him in my bag home, I'd get him. Oh my god, I gotta take a picture for Dan. Alright, I think that is plenty of shopping for today. I ended up getting an extra thing, so I am done. I am heading to get lunch. I think I'm gonna go to a Chicken Guy and get my sandwich, and then head back to the resort and get ready for the event tonight. So, yeah, it's been a really good day. Much better day than yesterday. I'm controlling myself with the heat more. It's just been a really good day. So, yeah. guys, I am so full. I just finished having lunch at Chicken Guy. Delicious as always. Now I'm going to head back to the resort and relax for a little bit and then get ready for tonight. Feeling a little nervous, but I've had a really good day, so it's gonna be good. Guys, it is pouring. Oh, one day I will live here and get to enjoy the 10-15 minutes of downpours that everyone who lives here takes for granted. Alright, it's really humid and sticky since it rained, but I just wanted to check in with you guys before I head out to the party. Are we fogging up? We're fogging up a little bit. I'm going to be leaving shortly. I don't know, it looks like it might start raining like any minute. But I do have to head out soon. My tummy has been a little meh since lunch, so Chicken Guy probably wasn't the greatest idea, but I didn't want an olive sandwich. Like, I was like, no, not really in the mood for it. And if I had gotten Cooks of Dublin, that was all fried food too. So I think in the grand scheme of things, it wouldn't have mattered. So it's all good. I ended up getting Chicken Guy for lunch, if I didn't already say that. I feel like I already said that, but I can't remember now. But yeah, I'm going to finish packing up my bag and then head out. Hopefully I can catch the Skyliner before it starts raining again. Why did that sound like thunder? I better go check the radar. Okay, so it looks like a batch of rain is coming through any second. Yeah, that's stinks because I need to get on the Skyliner. So between 7 and 8, and then it looks like it's going to calm down. Hopefully the Skyliner is running. We will see. But it just looks like it's that one little blip, and then we should be okay. Fingers crossed. But I don't have to leave for another like 20 minutes. If I leave now, I'm going to be early. But maybe it's better to leave now and just sit and wait because of the rain. It says raining conditions expected very soon. So what do I do? Go now and try and beat it, or wait for it to pass, or go in it? Ooh. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to risk it. We're going to try and go now. I got my umbrella. I don't know. I feel like I'm hearing thunder though. They're not gonna run the Skyliner if it's thundering. I mean, it's humid and sticky, but it's shady, so it's not bad. It's the cloud I'm worried about. Right now we're going this way, and it is running. I love this little area so much. It's so freaking cute. Okay, they let me on, but Megan said it's already raining at Epcot, so we'll see what happens. I get very nervous riding the Skyliner in the rain.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
I'll let you know if I see raindrops. You guys see my headband? It's like one of my favorite parts. It's just riding the Skyliner.
Pack your passports. We are on our way to Epcot International Gateway. When we arrive, remember to use your My Disney Experience mobile app to review your worldly itinerary for the day. your holas, ni haos, and konnichiwas. When you arrive at each nation's pavilion, cultural hosts will be waiting to greet you in their native language, helping make your visit to Epcot a truly international exchange.
There it is. Well, there's the rain. This seems familiar. Always Epcot. What a mess. We'll talk more when we get back to the road. That over here. We made it. So I apologize for the really bad lighting, but this is my reward.
Oh, hold on. Okay, you lighting. Hold on.
Ooh, look at that. She's got me.
Hold on.
She's got us. There we go. Okay, this is what we get. We get a weird caramel apple candy, which I probably hate because I don't like caramel. The Mickey waffle whoopie pie and it's mush. And then we have good old Mickey ice cream sandwich. That's what we get. Oh, and we got lemonade too. I cheated and got the big glass. Record, it's too humid. My camera's fogging up.
The symphony of us will begin in just a few minutes.
Okay, it's dark. I can't see. It's humid. And it's loud. That's probably why they were rushing us. That's the best part of the cannons. Why is my camera fogging up? you guys, I'm on my phone because my camera died. But that was the night. The night was kind of chaotic. Disney did not organize that well. I felt really bad for Kristen and Therese, but they figured it out. Unfortunately, the party was pretty lackluster at best. However, the rain did stop and we were able to see the fireworks. And that was my first time seeing Luminous. And I thought it was really good. I thought they did a really great job of like the storytelling of it. I know you can't see me, it's really dark, hold on. Okay, so I thought they did a really great job with the storytelling of it, and it was good. Like the sequence of fireworks and everything like that, all of that was really good. I just miss how big of a show and the music that was harmonious, that's all. But I do think it was a lot better than Illuminations, so I'll give it that for sure. So anyway, you guys, I am gonna end it here. I'm gonna get back to the room and take a shower, get comfy, and call it a night. Tomorrow is the long-awaited park day, so stay tuned for that vlog coming really soon. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Today was definitely a success. I had a much better day today, and I'm happy. I'm just happy. So give it a thumbs up if you liked the video. If you're new here, please subscribe by hitting that subscribe button down below. And I am a Disney travel agent, so if you guys are interested in booking your next Disney vacation with me, make sure to click the link down below in the description box, fill that form out, and I will get started planning your magical vacation as soon as possible. Also, hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the next vlog, and I will see you guys in that video. Happy planning and stay magical.